Hi, welcome to Anjurisa channel, and in this video, I will show you how to make this simple hair bow made out of two different types of fabric, two different colors. So the first thing is we need some fabric and then crafting supplies like scissors, sewing thread, and if you want to make it as a hair tie, you may want to use a hair tie or a hair clip. It's really up to you. And then we are going to need some hot glue gun to attach the hair ties. So I will write the size of this in below here. To be honest, I always use the size in centimeters, but if you prefer inches, I will also write the size in inches. This is the first fabric and this is the second fabric. Even these two fabrics are not at the same width, we are going to sew both edges together. I will sew this first, and then I will turn it over and sew the other end, the other edges. Now turn the fabric right side up. Next, I'm going to take my pillow. This is actually a regular pillow to serve as the ironing board. So we just press the fabric flat down. Actually, I find it's prettier, it's more beautiful if you use two contrasting color. In this, I use soft pink and dark pink. So the next step is to mark the center of the fabric. This is the secret, my secret to make every bow that's really exact same size on the left and the right side. So I just mark the center of the fabric, and this is a water erasable marking pen and it can wash off with just water. Let me show you a cool trick. Where's my fabric? Let me show you a cool trick. For example, if I draw on this fabric and then I can just use some water and tap on it and it will disappear. See? It's really convenient. So after this, I will fold fabric left, right and left, and we are going to sew this part. Like this, you can see the contrasting color of this hair bow. And we are going to make two pieces. And next, prepare the sewing needle and sewing thread. I just gather the fabric just to make it the pretty crease right in the center. Next, prepare the hair ties or hair clip, and in this hair bow, I think I will use a hair tie. So just attach the hair tie with hot glue gun, of course, and I will make the center of the hair bow. Prepare a small piece of fabric. I will write the size below here and take the whole fabric, fold it in half and sew this part. Flip the fabric inside out. Fold the fabric like this. This is to make the perfect crease right in the center. And we just attach this to the hair bow. And sew this for the last time. To sew the center bow, I will shift my needle to the left so it gets right beside the bow. And I use this back and forth stitch just to make it more secure. cut the excess fabric and turn the fabric, flip the centerpiece. After we flip the fabric, I like to use my hot glue. Just add a dab of glue right in the center here to make the center bow stays in place. And our beautiful hair bow is finished. Thanks for watching this video. If you find this tutorial useful, please give me a thumbs up and share this video. If you don't, please hit the dislike button and tell me about what you don't like. See you in my next video. Bye!